for the first time in 11 years.
Dr. Shaoulian is a leading medical expert in the field of neuromuscular disorders. With state-of-the-art techniques and treatments, the Nerve MD is able to pinpoint the cause of your neuropathy and design a unique treatment plan to reverse your neuropathy. Call 877-88-NERVE. Regular Medicare and most PPO insurance are accepted. Call the Nerve MD, Dr. Shaoulian, today at 877-88-NERVE. That's 877-886-3783, 877-886-3783.
Running back and forth this weekend. So much going on. Pick up meds, drop off kids, take Rex to the bed. What about the SC games? Going on, no matter where you are. Stream live Trojans games on the go with the new and improved KABC app. Get it today. Our policy and promise to you on this show: no quickies allowed. The Dan Bongino Show.
You know what? Let me get this. I gotta tell you, folks, I love what I do. This is not a real job because it's not work for me. I may get paid for it, but I have to tell you, this has to be one of my most frustrating days in this business. I'll tell you why coming up next, because I'm telling you my heart is pure with this stuff and my content, and that we have a diabolical group of scumbags in the media that'll do anything to destroy you, even making your life. Just stand there. Folks, Christmas will be here before we know it. If you're looking for a really special gift, I strongly encourage you to check out the firearms made right here in America by Henry Repeating Arms. I love this company. I have their 44 carbine. It's amazing. The thing is a damn workhorse. Go to their website. Pick up their free holiday gift guide. It's henryusa.com, henryusa.com. They'll send you some free decals, too. When you give someone a Henry rifle, you're giving them a work of art, built with the finest craftsmanship I've ever seen. Top-notch performance. They shoot smooth and straight, and these are workhorse, reliable, accurate rifles right out of the box. Henry has over 200 models of rifles, shotguns, and revolvers to choose from. They have something for everyone. Beginners, hunters, outdoorsmen, collectors,